We provide Pearson and SAM modules, SIMNet projects, including capstone projects, Shelley-Cashman series, and McGraw-Hill projects. We also help with MAThlab courses, covering mathematics, statistics, accounting, and finance, along with other academic subjects. Make a deal for complete course in very reasonable price, and also
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss our next assignment that is related to chapter 8. So first of all, we will open our instruction file. Then we have to read the instruction name, file name. That name is Exp22 Excel chapter 8 cumulative assessment employees satisfaction. We just increase its size and change its color, and here is project description, so also increase its size and its color. Okay, so in today's video we will discuss chapter 8 cumulative assessment employees satisfaction chapter step by step. You may follow me and you will get E grade 100% marks. But before going to solve this assignment, let me move toward whole assignment, how many points we have in today's assignment. So in today's assignment we have 15, 16. We have 16 questions, and last one is non-grade 1, in which we have received close and the Exp22 Excel chapter 8 cumulative assessment. So we have just 16 questions in today's grade report. So let me start today's assignment step by step. Project description. You work as a data analyst for Camno Marketing, a US-based web marketing company. You have been asked to conduct an employee satisfaction survey. As a part of survey, you will collect sample data to help provide insight into employees' salaries, productivities within 3 national offices, and to predict the growth of New York office client base by 2025. So that was just simply project description, that tool that what we have in today project, how we have to solve that one, and at the end what will we get. Okay, so now we are moving toward grade report. Steps to perform instructions. Start Excel, then download and open the file named this one that we have already downloaded from Pearson platform. Grader has automatically added our last name in the beginning of the file, so we have to open solution file. It is just getting opening. Okay, so first part is done. Now we are moving toward a next part. Ensure the employee's satisfaction worksheet is active. Okay, first we have to active employee's satisfaction worksheet. Then use a frequency function to calculate the frequency distribution of job satisfaction in column D. So we have to move toward employee satisfaction worksheet, then use a frequency function to calculate frequency distribution of job satisfaction in cell G4. Okay, you may see we have to move towards cell G5. Here we use a frequency function. Then what is our array? Okay, then a frequency function to calculate frequency distribution of job satisfaction column D. Okay, and where is bin array? Our bin array is this one. then close parentheses and press enter. Okay, and we get the result. So question number 2 is done and we have earned 8 marks from there. In question number 2, we have to ensure the employer's satisfaction worksheet is active. Then use a frequency function. So whenever we have to use a function or formula, we have to use equal sign. Then we create frequency function and we have pass column D, and also for bin array we have to pass this array. Then place your result in the range. This one, yes, we have done and we get the result. You may see this one. So question number 4, question number 2 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 3. Enter a function in cell G12 to calculate standard deviation of column C. We have to move toward G12 here, and here we have to calculate standard deviation of column C. Equal then standard deviation st. Okay, then to calculate standard deviation of column C mean we have to use this line, this column, then close parentheses and press enter, and we get the result. Okay, this one. Then after solving question number 3, we earn 8 marks from there. In question number 3, we have to enter a function in cell G12 to calculate the standard deviation of column C. Now moving toward question number 4, enter a function in a cell G13. Where is G13? This one is G13. To calculate the variance between salaries, we have to find a variance between salaries. Salaries mean we have to choose this column now, salaries column there for variance. Then close parentheses and press enter, and we get the result. Okay, so question number 4 is done. In question number 4, we have to enter a function in cell G13 to calculate the variance between salaries, and we have calculated and we get this result. Okay, and we have earned 8 marks from there. Now moving to our question number 5, enter a function in cell G14. Okay, we have to move to our cell G14 here, and here we have to calculate covariance of salaries and job satisfaction in a data set. We have to find covariance of salaries and job satisfaction. Covariance means we have to find equal, then alright, covariance, yes. Then we have to calculate covariance of salaries and job satisfaction. Salaries, we have to select 2 columns, salaries, first one, then next one is job satisfaction. Then simply press enter and we get the result. Okay, so question number 5 is done and we have earned 5 marks from there. In question number 5, we have to enter a function in cell G14 to calculate covariance of salaries and job satisfaction in the data set. After inserting this formula in cell G14 and we get the result, there is one note. Note this is a sample of data, not population. Yes, we have used sample formula there. No, it's not sample, it's population. So we have to in sample formula. Okay, then simply press enter. Okay, so question number 5 is done, and we have earned 5 marks from there. Now moving toward question number 6. Enter a function in cell F17. Where is F17? Here is F17. Sorry, F17. Yes, here. So we have to calculate correlation between coefficient between employer salary and job satisfaction. Correlation coefficient equal correl. Okay. So now we have to find correlation coefficient between employer salary. So where is employer salary? This one. And then we have to find next select job satisfaction. Then close parentheses and press enter, and we get the result. Okay, so question number 6 is done. In question number 6, after solving question number 6, we have earned 5 marks from there. So in question number 6, we have to enter a function in cell F17 to calculate correlation coefficient between employer salary and job satisfaction. After inserting formula and inserting both columns, we get result, and we have earned 5 marks from there. Now moving toward question number 7. Ensure the data analysis toolpath add-in is active. Okay, then use a data analysis toolpath to create a histogram based on salaries column C. Use the range I4 to I9 as bin range. Then ensure cumulative percentage column label and chart output are included in the result. Place the result in cell K4, then added the result in text K4 to display sorry if necessary. Okay, so in this way we will solve question number 7. After solving question number 7, then we move toward 8 and we will solve question number 8. So you may see we have just 16 questions. Out of 16 questions, we have done first 7 to 8 questions in today's video. Mean half of our assignment is done from my side in today's video. In today's video, we have discussed Exp22 Excel Chapter 8 Cumulative Assessment Employer Satisfaction. Instead, we just discuss project description. After discussing project description, then we move toward graded part, and we have solved question number 1. And then we move toward question number 2, and we have solved question number 2, where we have to ensure employer satisfaction worksheet is active. Then there we have to use a frequency function to calculate frequency distribution of job satisfaction in column D. Then move toward question number 3, where we have to enter a function in cell G12 to calculate the standard deviation of column C, and we get 8 marks from there. Then move toward question number 4, and we have to enter a function in cell G13 to calculate the variance between salaries. Then move toward question number 5, where we have to enter a function to cell G14 to calculate covariance of salaries and job satisfaction. Then move toward question number 6, where we have to enter a function in cell F17 to calculate the correlation coefficient between employer salary and job satisfaction. Then move toward question number 7, where we have to ensure that data analysis toolpath add-in is active. Then use a data analysis toolpath to create a histogram based on salaries in column C. Use the range I4 to I9 as a bin range. Then ensure that cumulative percentage, column label, and chart output are included in the result. Place the result in cell K4. Edit the result text in K4 to display salary if necessary. So in this way we have solved almost 50% assignment in today's video. But if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my given WhatsApp number, email ID, Instagram ID. All links are available on video description as well as there in bottom of this video. You may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. You may contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks in next 30 minutes. Remember that your file will be ready in next 30 minutes. Price will be reasonable and a result will be 100%. You may also contact me for full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable in price and your marks will be 100%. Remember that I am also expert of other courses, just like if you need help regarding mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux, textbook project, quizzes, midterm exam, final exam. So whatever you need to help regarding your academic, you may simply contact me. I'm available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks. So in today's video, we have discussed Exp22 Excel Chapter 8 Cumulative Assessment Employer Satisfaction. We have solved almost half of assignment. We will meet soon with our next assignment. So for that, you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my side. Take care. Bye bye. Best of luck for your future. Meet soon with our next assignment.